So when it come down to the Lexus credit card, the Toyota credit card, those credit cards, they do have a Visa version. So they got a Visa card and a store card. So it's you have to go to their website and see which one you can get approved for. They have the two different ones that's actually out there. So yes, there is a Visa version for both of these cards. You just have to go to their website and see if you can get approved for the Visa, or if you can get approved for the Visa, maybe they'll just give you that store card. Now I want to show you this card. Let's go ahead and look it up because I want you to be able to, see how I look these different things up looking on a website. So this was for the Lexus credit card. And let's see what they have. Yeah, so here is the actual Visa card. Wrong button. Here is the actual Visa card. So this is the Lexus one. This is the one where I told you guys you can pre-qualify for their credit card. This is the Visa. They have a Visa and they have a store card. So you just have to go to the website and actually just apply there for it. And hopefully, if you can get that Visa, you'll still get the store card for those people that's trying to get a credit card to be added to their credit reports. Hopefully you guys will still be able to get the regular store card. But yes, they do have a Visa, and here is that Visa logo so that you can see that it is actual Visa.